Alright guys, so this is all these work. You see me? So basically what you see right here, so it's a downtrend, right? So we're gonna say alright, we are focused on trying to find in the best setup, right? So booms. If you go downtrend, you're gonna put the bar above. Because it's go down. So when the bar above, it's harder for it's like a more possibility to drop more down. So it's not gonna reach the bar, right? You just don't want to touch the bar basically. Then alright. So now you see that we click medium. No? So when I click medium, it give off a different distance, right? But it pay less. But it's more safer than close. Than when the bar are close, right? Alright. Now we are focusing based on the setup, it now get touch. And we are use 5 ticks. Right? So I do it now get a touch, you press no touch, right? See it? Very simple like that, guys. So all I'm just do, I follow the uptrend or downtrend. So if it turn red right now, you put your barrier above. If it turn green, you put it below. Right? Make 5 ticks, medium settings. I do. Medium, right? So when I put a medium, the barrier offset I get a more distance from the price line. And you set a stake right here. So if you're focusing on no touch stake, you put it here, input a stake, and you press no touch. You see me? So it's going on uptrend, but I think it will still touch it still by the time it reach the 5 ticks. See there? You're not getting no more easier than that, guys. It's very, very simple. Zine? Yeah. Yeah, just rinse and repeat. That's very, very simple. With the touch you can set it like this now. Close, right? But me just suggest a volatile pair like the one is we are using right now. You see me? But based on how things do, you can still do it and get a win, see me? See it? Touch. You see me? You just wait for your results. You just want to make sure say you get touch. But no touch, I know if you set up that more better. So I always target that, but you don't know say touch pay more, right? So you see how much touch gear back? Touch gear $90, right? Touch gear $90 for $80. So we are traded $80. And so much it pay out more than when I click no touch. But no touch is easier, guys. You see me? You can easily analyze this and know say, yo, you can set it away where it now go touch. You press a medium, look at the far from the barrier line. And no store say, oh, if it go down, above barrier mode. Up, that go below barrier mode. You don't do anything. Simple as that, guys. You don't get no more easier than that. You see me? Yeah.